Today I'm making mini 4th of July no-bake cheesecakes. First I'm going to make the crust, so in a bowl I have 1 sleeve of graham crackers crushed up. Next I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Then mix that up until it's combined. Then I have a muffin pan with some liners in it. Then I'm going to add a scoop of the graham cracker mixture into each liner and press it in. Next, make the cheesecake filling, so in a bowl I have 1 block of softened cream cheese. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next, add half a can of sweetened condensed milk. Then mix that up until everything is combined. Next, I'm going to make some whipped cream to fold into the filling, so in a bowl I have a half a cup of heavy cream, and then I'm going to whip that up until stiff peaks form. Then I'm going to add the whipped cream into the filling and fold that in. Next, I'm going to add a scoop of the filling into each liner. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some red sprinkles on top and then put these in the freezer for 2 hours to set up. After the 2 hours, I took the liners off the mini cheesecakes and added them to a tray, and here's an up-close look.